Greetings, and welcome to the first episode of Engineering Warframes. In this episode, I'll be establishing the overall focus of this series, its format, and a set of givens that will be referred to in future episodes. To begin, Engineering Warframes will focus on the science behind the frames, or to be more exact, I will be discussing the possibility of being able to turn different Warframe abilities from being science fiction to science fact. I will make a disclaimer that I am neither an engineer nor scientist, as I have yet to begin my degree, though I will try to make my research and consequently my videos as accurate as I can. Furthermore, because of the nature of this series, I encourage you to be active in the discussions brought up, regardless of whether you agree, disagree, or otherwise. The format of this series will be as follows. I will introduce the Warframe in question, discuss the first ability followed by a conclusion of what my thoughts on it are, move on to the next ability, etc. As I bring up different ideas and findings found in articles, excerpts, and so forth, I will simply have source, followed by a number pop up during the video. Speaking of sources, all sources I use will be listed and can be found down in the description box for those of you that would like to read further. Also, if you find anything that you think would be noteworthy for the series, then by all means send it my way, be it through Reddit, Twitter, or Steam, which are all linked in the description, or in the comments below. With purpose and formatting out of the way, now we need to establish exactly what a Warframe is. Second dream spoilers ahead. A Warframe, according to the official website and wiki, is an exosuit granting enhancements to mobility, protective shields, and of course granting the user extraordinary power. While this says that Warframes are essentially exosuits on crack, we also learn from the end of the second dream quest that they are operated in a similar manner to drones, remote controlled by Tenno operators via the means of a somatic link. Because of this discrepancy, I will primarily be treating the abilities as if they are being applied to exosuits, though some abilities may be more plausible when used with drones instead. Speaking of exosuits and drones, what are they? Exosuits are powered exoskeletal suits that grant the wearer added strength and endurance via the means of motors, hydraulics, pneumatics, or levers. Most of the research for this technology is seen in the armed forces, though civilian applications are being realized, mostly within medical fields and by emergency responders. The primary problems with exosuits are providing a compact enough power supply with enough energy to operate them, as well as making them mobile and agile enough to not encumber the operator. For this series, however, we will discuss each Warframe as if both of these problems have been solved. At this point in time and for the next several years, seeing anything resembling a Warframe is unlikely, and we're more likely to see something like this rather than this. However, advances in soft exosuit technology by the Harvard Biodesign Lab may bring us closer to real Warframes sooner than the distant hundreds, if not thousands of years portrayed in the game, as this soft design is meant to wrap around the operator's limbs more naturally. Now then, what is a drone? According to Merriam-Webster, a drone is an unmanned aircraft or ship guided by remote control or onboard computers. Mainstream use began during World War II, with the primary use being target practice for naval gunners, and then expanded as being a direct response to kamikazes with Project Aphrodite. Drones now, however, are being used for more than just the military, namely for search and rescue operations as the most notable. However, they are also being tested for sales distribution of all things by Amazon. Since drones at their core are essentially remote-controlled robots, the possibilities are nearly endless for what we can make them do, be they for striking terrorist cells, technocyte ninjas, or delivering pizza. Stay tuned for my first Warframe-specific episode where I'll be discussing the downright terrifying Nyx. If you enjoyed this, then go ahead and rate, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.